Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 and today I would like to show you how you can manage auto rotation. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Gray Auto Rotate or Landscape shortcut or Blue Auto Rotate one. As you can see, my landscape is over here. So when I click, it's blue and it says auto rotate. That means that auto rotation is definitely on. If you wish to switch it off, just click on the blue shortcut. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!